I'm Mica Talmor, chef owner of Pomella restaurant in Oakland, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare this American lamb neck roulade. A traditional dish that we elevated here at Pomella. We gave it a little bit of a new life and freshness. Lamb is a very popular protein in Israel and the greater Middle East or the Levant. Our customers love lamb dishes. We actually don't even use beef at Pomella. We only use lamb for red meat. This flavorful and tender dish starts with American lamb neck. It's a great cut. It's known for its marbling and dip flavor. We're gonna start by removing the neck bone and butterflying the neck. Don't throw away the bone. You can use the bone for making a stock. We're gonna set the butterflied lamb neck aside and go ahead and make the marinade. The marinade is very simple. We're gonna put everything in the blender. Yellow onion, baharat spice mix. We have an oil blend of canola and olive oil together, garlic, red wine vinegar, salt, and turmeric. We're gonna blend all the ingredients together till we get a really smooth paste. Next, we're gonna rub the marinade all over the lamb, both sides, cover the marinated lamb neck, and let it rest overnight. To make the filling for the lamb neck roulade, we are going to mix cooked freekeh, a smoke-dried bulgur wheat, sour cherries that I soaked overnight in hot water and strained, fresh mint, parsley, marjoram, grated parmesan, and pine nuts. I'm gonna mix all of this together. Take the marinated lamb neck from the refrigerator. We're going to put it on a work surface. Spread half of the filling, then fold the sides over and roll into a nice neat roll and tie it together. In a pan, sear the lamb necks. Turn them around to get a nice even brown color. Add the lamb stock, cherry soaking water, marjoram and cinnamon to the braising pot. Cover with foil and braise the meat for about 2 hours in a 300-degree oven. Every 30 minutes or so, open the oven, uncover the meat, flip it, and baste it with some of the braising liquid. Keep cooking until the meat is very tender. When done braising, rest the lamb necks for at least 20 minutes before slicing. This last lamb neck is absolutely delicious no matter how you serve it. Here at Pomella, we serve it with a salad of grilled romaine, freekeh, mint, and a preserved lemon vinaigrette. The combination of flavors is really fresh and elevates the natural flavor of the lamb neck. This is a favorite here at Pomella.